Hello, everyone over there at Coomes Air. I hope you're doing well. My name is Charles, and I partner with Hanley Digital in helping businesses just like yours grow and increase the clientele base. After speaking with Courtney, we promised that we were going to send this video over, and this video simply gives you a few recommendations, three good recommendations to help you optimize and start getting organic people clicking and coming to your website and calling you. I'm going to give you three recommendations um, that are free to use. If you'd like us to help you implement them and do more, feel free to reach back. But if not, no harm, no foul. No worries. I do this all the time for business customers because we feel business customers are too busy these days to learn these things, to learn these niches, and there's tons of information out there. There are tons of companies who are claiming to do certain things but don't deliver in the end. I just wanted to share with you three good tips, and if you implement them, you'll start to see businesses calling you, customers going onto your website, and you'll grow your client base. So those three things I want to talk about are content, citations, and backlinks. Content is everything on your front page. All the words, all the text, all the pictures, all the words behind the pictures. Whatever your pictures are saved as. For example, like this picture, you can see it's saved as truck min. It's important to save your pictures as keywords. Keywords being those words that customers use to search while they're looking for your business online. For example, if I'm in Dallas, Arlington, and I'm looking for an air, I want to repair my air conditioning. Something typically that people will type is air conditioning repair Arlington, Texas. And in your search results, being at the very top really helps. Majority of people will click the top of this area here, the map pack, and the top of the organic listings down here. So to optimize with Google, it's important to have between 1,000 1,500 words of authoritative text on your front page. And then make sure that text is sprinkled with keywords, those keywords that people use. This is so that search engines know to bring your site in front of those searches. So I would definitely add, I'm estimating, I think you have about 500 words on the front page. I'd definitely add probably 1,000 words of context. And on your back pages, you could have around 750 to 1,000 words. Therefore, you will start to look like an authority. Unfortunately, a PDF does not really count as the words because it's not really read by those bots. Yeah. So that's it with content. Next thing I want to talk about is citations, and let's go back to the search results. So citations have more to do with this area here known as the map pack. And rising higher and higher up in the map pack to the front page to be one of these three is very important. And a lot of it has to do with citations. A citation is anywhere online that your address, your name, your business name, address, and phone number are stored, are cited. For example, if you're on Better Business Bureau, that's a good citation. Superpages.com, yellowpages.com, eLocal, whatever online directories that are relevant to you and have high authority, relevant in Google's eyes. Those are the ones that are important to be in, and obviously in a higher number than your competitors. Therefore, you keep on beating them and you stay at the top of this map pack and having more people call you organically. Third thing I want to mention is backlinks or backlinks. Backlinks are when a different site links to you, kind of giving you authority, driving traffic to you. For example, if there's a forum for, I don't know, an HVAC forum, and they have a blog out and that links to you, that's high quality, very relevant to you, and Google sees that and considers you um, as popular as that site. Think of it as a popularity concert. So, contest. Google sees you popular because you're connected with popular sites. However, if it's a different niche, if it's, say, a fast food restaurant connecting to you, then Google will not see that as any kind of authority and actually count your site as a bit spammy. I use a tool called Ahrefs to help me analyze different websites. And I'm going to take your top competitor, drop them here into Ahrefs, and you can see they have about 4,000 backlinks coming from 227 domains or websites. And Google is recognizing them for about 6,500 keywords. Now, these keywords, for example, AC repair Fort Worth, 500 people search for that every month, and they get 189 people going as traffic to their website because they're in the second position of Google. And this is the exact page that people are going to. So you can see it's important to include relevant keywords because you'll see that there's an actual search volume for each of those keywords. And then trying to improve your positioning through different SEO methods like backlinking and getting more citations, that helps you grab a lot of this traffic. So let me put on your website here, coomsair.com, and we can see you have about 333 backlinks from 64 domains. Google recognizes you for 390 keywords. I can see a lot of people, 150 people a month on average, search for your brand name, so that's good. It tells me that you're recognized. About 50 people go to you every month because you're in the first position. But what's important is to capitalize on the keywords you've already been recognized for and make sure you get a lot more of this traffic. You can see you're in the much lower positions on Google. So AC repair, Arlington, Texas. There's 250 people who search for that. You don't get any traffic because you're on the 64th position. That to me is a very buyer intent keyword, and I would definitely try and get to the first page, at least the front page, not, yeah, the front page of searches for this to grab some of this traffic. Well, thank you very much. I enjoy making these videos, and I hope that you've at least can gain something from this. If anything, if you'd like to work together, again, my name is Charles. Reach back to us, and we'll be willing to discuss on how we can move forward. If not, no harm, no foul. Just take these tips, and I hope it helps you guys grow and get a bigger and bigger client base in the different locations that you need, that you want to expand to. Thank you.